Let's make this amazing street corn pasta salad. It's inspired by my favorite Mexican side dish, elote, and it's so good. It's perfect for those potlucks and all summer long. Start by cooking your pasta al dente. Then you're going to add 2 cups of corn. It can be frozen corn, canned corn, or fresh cut off the cob. Then you're going to add some cheese cubes, some red onion, some jalapenos. You're going to want to de-seed and dice these small, and some cilantro. If you want it to be a little spicy, leave more seeds in the jalapenos. Then you're going to mix up the dressing. It's mayo, sour cream, some queso fresca. Then you're going to add in the stuff that's going to make it flavorful. You can add chili powder or tahini. Then you can add salt and pepper and lime juice. This is going to make it so awesome. It's going to taste just like elote, and it's such a simple dressing. If you like your pasta salad really creamy, double the dressing. If you like it to be less creamy, leave it as is. I think it's perfect just the way it is, but I do sometimes like to make extra and keep it on the side to refresh the pasta salad for eating it the next day, because those noodles will sometimes absorb some of the dressing. Anyway, you can get the full printable recipe on easypeasymeals.com and enjoy this all summer long at barbecues, potlucks, etc. It is seriously so delicious, packed with flavor. So good.